What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best ice cream makers to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Ninja Creami is a versatile and user-friendly appliance that allows you to transform frozen solid bases into a variety of frozen treats with just the touch of a button. With Ninja's Creamify technology, the Creami can break down uniformly frozen blocks into incredibly smooth and creamy textures in minutes. Whether you're in the mood for ice cream, sorbets, gelato, milkshakes, or smoothie bowls, the Ninja Creami can deliver delicious frozen treats tailored to your preferences. The Creami offers a wide range of possibilities, allowing you to create treats that fit your lifestyle. Whether you prefer decadent gelato, light ice cream, dairy-free options, or gluten-free treats, the Ninja Creami can accommodate your dietary needs and preferences. Despite its versatility, the Creami is compact in size, making it easy to store and conveniently fit on your countertop. Its easy-to-use functionality makes it suitable for all ages, allowing the whole family to enjoy making frozen treats together. With the Creami, you can customize your frozen treats by adding your favorite mix-ins such as chocolate, nuts, candy, fruit, and more to personalize your creations. The appliance offers 7 one-touch programs, including ice cream, sorbet, gelato, milkshake, smoothie bowl, light ice cream, and mix-in, allowing you to achieve the perfect combination of speed, pressure, and time. The Creami also features Creamify technology, which finely shaves and churns ice particles into creamy frozen treats in minutes, providing a smooth and indulgent texture. Additionally, the respin functionality allows you to further adjust the texture of your processed treat, making it softer and creamier if desired. In summary, the Ninja Creami offers a convenient and customizable way to enjoy a wide array of frozen treats. With its versatile programs, compact size, and user-friendly features, it provides an enjoyable experience for the whole family. The Kitchenaid Ice Cream Maker attachment is a convenient and efficient tool for making homemade frozen treats. With the Ice Cream Maker attachment, you can create delicious ice creams, gelatos, and sorbets in under 30 minutes, excluding preparation time. The 2-quart bowl capacity allows you to make a generous amount of frozen treats to enjoy with family and friends. The attachment is designed to easily connect to your Kitchenaid stand mixer, utilizing a redesigned assembly and new handles. This seamless connection enables you to start churning your favorite recipes quickly, utilizing the power and versatility of the stand mixer. The Ice Cream Maker attachment features a redesigned dasher that rotates inside the bowl to ensure thorough ingredient incorporation. This rotation helps spread, scrape, and mix the ingredients for even freezing and consistent results. Cleaning the bowl is a simple process. Once the bowl has reached room temperature after use, it can be easily cleaned with warm, soapy water. This allows for convenient maintenance and ensures that the attachment is ready for the next batch of frozen treats. Overall, the Kitchenaid Ice Cream Maker attachment offers a convenient way to create homemade frozen treats with ease. From ice creams to gelatos and sorbets, this attachment enhances the versatility of your stand mixer, providing a fun and delicious experience for you and your loved ones. The Cuisinart IC70 is an efficient and user-friendly ice cream maker that allows you to create delicious frozen treats with ease. With the Cool Creations Ice Cream Maker, you can make up to 2 quarts of homemade ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt, or sorbet in just 20 minutes. Its one-button operation for ice cream, gelato, and sorbet makes the process simple and convenient. The machine features a digital LCD time programming and auto shut-off, ensuring precise timing and preventing overprocessing. One notable feature of the IC70 is its improved paddle, which enables faster processing time, making it quick and efficient. The control panel is equipped with an LCD screen and 3 settings, offering multiple speeds to achieve the desired consistency. Additionally, the countdown timer keeps you informed of the remaining time, and the auto shutoff feature ensures safety and prevents overmixing. The ICE70 is designed with a sleek brushed metal housing, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. It also includes an ingredient spout with an integrated measuring cup, allowing you to easily add ingredients while the machine is in operation. A recipe book is included, providing inspiration for various frozen treat flavors. Furthermore, the IC70 is BPA-free, prioritizing safety and peace of mind while preparing your favorite frozen desserts. Its user-friendly features and stylish design make it an excellent choice for creating delightful treats for your family and friends. The Breville BCI 600XL Smart Scoop is an innovative ice cream maker that brings the experience of a scoop shop into your own kitchen. The Smart Scoop is the first ice cream maker that automatically senses the hardness of the mixture based on your selection. It offers 12 hardness settings, including sorbet, frozen yogurt, gelato, and ice cream, allowing you to create a variety of frozen treats to suit your preferences. This intelligent feature ensures that your frozen desserts are kept at the perfect temperature for up to 3 hours, maintaining their ideal texture. The BCI 600XL Smart Scoop by Breville is designed to be easy to use, with automatic hardness settings that take the guesswork out of the process. It is equipped with a self-refrigerating compressor and operates at a voltage of 110 to 120 volts with a power of 165 watts. The ice cream maker offers both fully automatic and manual functionality, giving you the flexibility to control the process according to your preferences. Additionally, it features a pre-cool setting, allowing you to bring the machine to the optimal operating temperature before starting the ice cream making process. The BCI 600XL Smart Scoop is constructed using BPA-free materials, prioritizing safety and peace of mind. It also includes a child lock for added security. When your dessert is ready, the machine will sound an alert beep or one of 3 musical tunes, indicating that it's time to enjoy your homemade frozen treat. Overall, the Breville BCI 600XL Smart Scoop combines intelligent technology, convenient features, and a user-friendly design to enhance your ice cream making experience at home. The Whynter ICM 200LS 2.1 quart ice cream maker is a versatile and user-friendly appliance that allows you to make delicious homemade ice cream, gelato, sorbet, and yogurt in the comfort of your own home. With the Whynter ICM 200LS, you can take dessert making to a whole new level. This ice cream maker has a capacity of 2.1 quarts, allowing you to make generous batches of your favorite frozen treats. The stainless steel housing not only adds a sleek and modern touch to your kitchen but also ensures durability and longevity. One of the standout features of this ice cream maker is that it doesn't require pre-freezing. This means you can start making your frozen desserts right away without the need to wait for the freezer bowl to freeze beforehand. This convenience saves you time and allows for spontaneous ice cream making sessions. The Whynter ICM 200LS is equipped with a reliable built-in audible timer, ensuring that your desserts are turned to perfection. The cooling temperature ranges from -0.4 degrees Fahrenheit to -31 degrees Fahrenheit, providing optimal conditions for achieving the desired consistency and texture of your frozen creations. Not only does this machine excel in making ice cream, gelato, and sorbet, but it also allows you to make fresh and healthy all-natural yogurt using ingredients you trust. This versatility makes it a great choice for those who enjoy a variety of frozen desserts. Overall, the Whynter ICM 200LS 2.1 quart ice cream maker offers convenience, capacity, and the ability to fully customize your frozen treats, making it an excellent addition to any home kitchen.